Hello, and welcome to Chips, an overview. Brought to you by Quintero. Chips most commonly refers to chips or French fries, long chunks of potato that have been deep fried or baked. Chips, or crisps, a snack food in the form of thin crispy slices. Potato chips, thin crispy slices of deep fried or baked potato chips may also refer to people. Chips nickname, various people. Chips McAnulty, born 1954, Australian artist. Arts, entertainment and media. Music. Chips album, from the eponymous Swedish group. Chips band, a Swedish pop band. The Chips, a short-lived New York City doo-wop vocal group. Chips, Irish female vocal group, including Linda Martin. Television. Chips, a television series about the California Highway Patrol. Chips Space Coast to Coast, an episode of Space Ghost Coast to Coast. Other art, entertainment and media. Chips Film, a 2017 film version of the series. Chips Literary Magazine, the award-winning literary and art magazine of Bethesda Chevy Chase High School. Chips, a separate pull-out section of Whizzer and Chips, a British comic published from 1969 to 1990. Mr. Chips, an English school teacher in James Hilton's novella Goodbye, Mr. Chips and its film adaptations. Businesses. Chips Coffee Shop, a historic coffee shop in Los Angeles, California. Chips Company, based in Åland, Finland, producer of potato chips and other food products. Chips and Technologies, often stylized as CHIPS on their products, one of the first fabless microprocessor companies. Clearinghouse Interbank Payment System, a U.S. payment settlement scheme. Computing and technology. Chips, monolithic integrated circuits without the packaging, the best semiconductor dies. Common Hybrid Interface Protocol System CHIPS defines a computer network's interface and protocol systems used in serial and wireless communications. CHIPS Satellite, Cosmic Hot Interstellar Plasma Spectrometer Satellite, a satellite launched in 2003. Other uses. Children's Health Insurance Program. Chips Dog, an American warden who served in World War II. Chips Manchester, an apartment building. The Chips Train, a passenger train that operates over the Blue Mountains between Lithgow and Sydney. The CHIPS Act, a bill included in William M. Mac Thornberry National Defense Authorization Act for fiscal year 2021. Wood chips. Thank you for watching our video on chips, brought to you by Quintero. Don't forget to like and subscribe. Bye for now.